Model, 2015 Renault Master Business LM35dCi 125 needs turbo replacement. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 108,485. Engine, 2,298 CCM 9T125 E5D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,525. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119